What's poppin', my beautiful jewels? Welcome to my channel, Jade ThaJewel. I'm Jade, and in today's video we will be doing an updated top knot tutorial. I did a top knot tutorial way back, but since then I found an easier process, an easier routine, especially for my natural hair ladies, that will be a lot easier with getting your hair into a sleek top knot. So stay tuned and let's get this video popping. So as you can see, I detangled my hair and we're looking like Jackson 5 over here, but we're gonna part our hair from ear to ear. And you guys, this is the best method. I'm telling y'all, this is the best method that you can use. You want to part your hair from ear to ear and leave your hair in these two sections when putting your hair into a ponytail. As you can see, I'm sectioning off my hair, putting both sections into a ponytail. Now I took that first section down and we are going to be in the moisturizing and detangling process. I'm spraying some water and conditioner on my hair. I think I'm using the Aussie Moist conditioner in this bottle and some filter water from my sink, girl, nothing special, and I put that in the bottle. I sprayed that on my hair, and as you can see, I'm using a wide tooth comb and detangling my hair. Make sure that your hair is detangled always. Never do hair on detangled hair. And I'm also going to be using some detangler. This is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey leave-in conditioner detangler, and I put that all over my hair. And I'm going to be detangling my hair, and not only is it a detangler, but it's also a leave-in conditioner, so you're doing two things at once. So you're moisturizing and detangling. So after I detangle, I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair into a ponytail, and I'm going to do the same thing to the back, okay? So as you can see, I'm showing you guys the front and back, like everything's done, everything's moisturized, everything's detangled. So now I'm going to go ahead and take down the front section. I'm going to be using the Twisting Cream Pure Honey, Creme of Nature honey. Yes, period, point blank. It is like a beautiful texture moisture butter that I use all the time. I like to use moisture butters more than gels to slick down my hair because I really try to stay away from putting so much gel in my hair, but y'all, I just can't help it. Like, it doesn't matter. You're gonna need gel to slick down your hair, but I do try to use more moisturizing products to slick my hair down. And as you can see, I'm popping out the Eco Styler right this moment. So we're putting on the gel, we used our twisting cream, and we're getting our hair as slick as possible. So basically, in this new routine or this new update that I have of how I do my ponytails, instead of using the headband that I used to use to pull my hair, I section off my hair into two, and I'm going to gather them into one. So it'll be two separate ponytails, but I'll put the front section to a ponytail, then I grab the back section, I put it into the front ponytail. And you'll see what I'm talking about once everything is shown. But I'm still showing you guys the slicking down process because all my beautiful jewels, I want y'all to have the slickest, most perfect hair. And it's really not a tedious process. All you need to do is just take your time. So after I finish smoothing everything down, I'm gonna put it into a ponytail, of course. And after I put it into a ponytail, I'm just going to do some more perfecting, moving that hair out the way, taking some more moisture butter, and slicking that hair down. You want your hair to be as sleek and as perfect as you possibly can be to make you feel as beautiful as you are, jewel. So we are now going to the back section now. Y'all, I don't know about y'all hair, but my hair is extremely thick at the back. So I'm taking a wide tooth comb and I'm getting through all those kinks and coils in my hair, and I am simply brushing that in a forward section so that my hair is going to go into a ponytail, as you can see. So I'm going to use my twisting cream again, and I'm going to use that to smooth my hair down as well as moisturize my hair. And my natural ladies, it is winter time, so please make sure that your hair is moisturized and sealed at all times because y'all, we do not want any breakage. 2020, we are trying to come into the year strong, hair long, period. So please make sure that your hair is moisturized and try your best to do low manipulative styles. Like, this is a very tedious style. Like, it hurts sometimes, so try your best not to do too many styles like this, but you know, for the time being, go ahead and slick that hair up into your top knot, baby. Do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Okay, so I'm probably right here, I'm taking some Eco Styler as well, and I am getting through that hair. And sometimes, y'all, I do use a comb to get through my kinks and coils because sometimes that wide tooth comb is just not getting what I need it to get. So as you can see, now that I've combed out my hair and got it as slick as possible, I'm taking that back section and I'm gathering it into the front section, and it's becoming one ponytail. So we still have our ponytail in the front that's up and that's sectioned off, but now we've taken the back section and we gather it into the top ponytail. And as you can see, this is a much easier process than using the headband method, simply because sometimes the headband method it takes a longer time to do. This is a simple process. It's not that hard, and it really doesn't take too much time, because with the headband method, sometimes it's like you get it right, then sometimes you don't, then sometimes you do, then sometimes you don't, and it's really irritating sometimes. So I've definitely found an easier way to do it, and I'm so happy to share this with you guys. So yes, honey, period, point blank, we are on a new journey. Yes. So I believe that I showed you guys probably some mousse. I do like to use mousse and eco styler on my hair once my hair is finally in the complete ponytail. Using mousse really does help with frizz, ladies, so keep in mind that using mousse will probably help you do your hair. So keep in mind that, like, use some mousse and some eco styler. My choice of mousse is the Lotta body. I almost said body, like, there it is, Lotta body. I use the Lotta body. See, as you can see, I'm putting all that mousse all over my hair, and I'm really trying to get the sleekest ponytail that I possibly can, and I am putting that on my hair. And when I tell you guys this is a sleeker, honey, like, it really makes your hair super slick, because I do have frizz problems. So please, ladies, try some mousse. If you have frizz issues with your hair, this is definitely your go-to route. Some mousse and some eco styler gel will definitely do you well. So basically, after I slick up my hair, getting it to the best, sleekest thing that it can possibly be in, I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to put that on, and I'm going to leave that on there for about maybe 10 minutes. I really don't count my time. I just go do something, then I come back, then I take my scarf off. But yeah, I took my scarf off, and now I'm going to put my hair into the smallest ball that I possibly can. The smallest ball is the key to an extension top knot. If you're going to be using extensions in your top knot, please, y'all, make your ball as small as you can, because that way you can get the most prettiest top knot in the world. So make that ball small. So I'm going to take out some edges, and we're not going to be slaying our edges yet. Not yet. Not yet, but we are going to take our edges and you know, have everything straight with that, make sure our edges are out. And I'm doing this because I'm going to be using some Got2b spray in a second, as you can see right now, and I don't like for my edges to get caught up in the Got2b spray, because I'm telling y'all, it hurts to take out edges when you have Got2b spray on, and you ladies that use Got2b spray, you know it hurts. So I took out my edges before I put the Got2b spray, because, you know, it kind of pulls the hair, so, and it makes it really tight. So yeah, we're gonna put our scarf on again, and we're gonna take our scarf off. And after we take our scarf off, we are now going to be brushing those edges out, making sure that everything's good. We're not doing our edges just yet. We're doing the top knot first. We're going to be taking some extensions. You want to take an extension, put it on your hair, and then wrap it around. I've showed this process before in my last video. This video isn't so much about how to do a top knot, but rather an easier way to get your hair into a ponytail for a top knot. Okay, so my top knot isn't that hard, as you can see. It's not a difficult process. I just put some extensions on there, wrap it around, bada bing, bada boom, you're done. And then I'm gonna use some edge booster edge control and do my edges, and that's pretty much it for this video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hit that like button. Peace.